What's up? My next big studio upgrade? The answer might be locked inside this box. What do you think? And it could change everything for me. So, alright, I was thinking about buying a camera, but the black titanium iPhone 16 Pro for a camera when filming in the YouTube studio for MrNobleTV. So now I believe it should be my number one studio filming tool. So let's get this thing unboxed and let's see how it sounds. There goes one tab. Come on out of there. All right, here we go. All right, so we have the deep black titanium. Looks premium. Of course, it's premium. And honestly, probably tough enough to survive every iPhone upgrade for the next decade. But I'm still thinking about getting the iPhone 17 next month too. So frosted glass back, gorgeous, and in 3 seconds covered in fingerprints. Well, not really, not with this matte texture, but only like on the Apple logo. So yep, it has that new iPhone smell. And don't act like you don't sniff yours. The weight is solid. Like if I drop this, the floor is filing for insurance. Just kidding. So I haven't even turned it on yet. Let's go for the peel. Oh yeah, satisfying. This already feels like the iPhone Studio in my pocket. I think I'm actually gonna really enjoy this uh, compared to my old iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is still in good shape, but this thing feels like a rock compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. And comparing the sizes, it's not really a big difference. Yeah, just a little bit, but look at as far as the screen. It fits like right in the middle, so I'm like maybe losing. Yeah, it says this is a 6.7 inch and this is a 6.3 inch. So I'm losing about 4 inches of screen real estate, but I don't think it's going to make a difference. So, all right, well, let's get on with the finish the unboxing, and we'll turn her on while we're going through the rest. So, of course, in the box, we get the USB-C to USB-C charger, braided cable, which is good. I wish it was longer than 6 feet. I wish it was like 10 feet, but it's cool. I'll use this for backup. So I'll just leave this in here. Um, the normal, I'm not going to go through. You already know we don't get any more stickers, anything like that. That's it for the unboxing. Hello, for the first time, my Apple welcome screen. And I don't know what language that is. So we're going to swipe up. Let's go through the setup process. English, United States. And of course, I wear glasses, so I need large. Continue. All right, here we go. Finally, welcome to iPhone. But I'll tell you one thing, this screen looks beautiful. All right, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like, smash that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.